If there are issues with the synchronization of a project, you can export data from the app and manually import this into the database using the desktop version of CoreGS. To show the export page, click on the Export button at the top of the Assessments page in a project. Once the export page is shown, you will see a list of assessments that can be exported. Note that only active assessments are available for export. Select the assessments that you want to export, then click on the Export button to start the process. The export process will run in the background, so you can continue using the app during this time. Once the export has completed, a notification will be shown indicating the location of the resulting files. On newer Android versions, exported files will be found in the Downloads folder. Transfer these files to a computer running the desktop version of CoreGS and import them into a project using the XML import option.